In this world today where we are living, some folks say the worst of us they can. But when we are dead and in our casket, they always slip some lilies in our hand. Won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can? Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. In this world is where we need our flowers, a kind word to help us get along. If you can't give me flowers while I'm living, please don't send them when I'm gone. Well, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can? Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. Yeah, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can? Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. No, don't you try and slip some lilies in my hand. All right, flowers while I'm living. Hey, Carmine.
That's a good idea, too.
Yes, sir.
Let's all do that. Let's buy each other flowers while we're living, so we can enjoy them.
Yeah.
Now, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner. We're doing it on Saturday at noon because of my schedule. And Kim will run this again tomorrow at 6 o'clock on Sundays. For those of you who are not watching it now, if you go tomorrow at 6, you'll get to see the same show. Pretty tricky, huh?
I like how you do this.
My new hat? I've had this hat for, this is the first hat I ever bought. I just never wore it. But, yeah, well, I got it up at Big, is it called Big Jim's? The place up in San Fernando? Is it Big Jim's or just Jim's? I'm thinking of the hamburger joint on Sheldon and Roscoe or something. It's called Big Jim's. Yeah. This is Jim's Western Wear.
I love that show.
Yes, and I've got most of my country stuff up there. They got such a great selection. You know, we're still right next door to Bob. You know who I saw at McDonald's, of all places, last Sunday? Sue and I like to go get that breakfast. We just split it because we don't eat much anymore. It was Mike Smith, the owner of Bob Smith Toyota. And I've known that guy since 56. We were like 15, 16 years old. We knew each other. And he, you know, I see him periodically through the year. And he was so happy to see me, and we hugged and kissed, and, you know, and had a McDonald's McNugget or something together. I don't know. We did something that was fun. So I'm having my donuts and coffee. Kim, did you see that? It wouldn't be the first time.
Oh, I can see that. Wouldn't
So we're running a little late today because right after this at 1 o'clock, I got to get the heck out of here and get down to my next situation down there at Knott's. So anyway, it's good to see you guys. Gary Swan has moved on to bigger and better things. Doesn't mean that he won't be here anymore, but last night he was at the Canyon Club with the association, and then tonight he's down at the Coach House. And so he's having fun.
We wish him the best.
Oh, you bet. I think that is so cool that that we're still having fun. How'd that wooden beater turn out for you? I love it.
There you go.
Well, those you who don't know what that is, the foot pedal on the drum that has the beater on it that keeps the rhythm and everything. Some are made of a very solid kind of a cotton material, and then they have just plain wood, round wood beaters, and that's my choice. And so somehow I lost the one I had from the '60s, and I called John today. He said, "Bring a wooden beater." I lost my beater. So anyway, we're back to that. I talked way too much, Paul.
Yeah.
Do another one.
All right, this is an original song that I debuted last week, and I think everybody got a kick out of it. We're going to do it again.
It's just about talking to the dog.
It's an easy, laid-back kind of a 2/4 shuffle.
You got it, Daddy-O.
Key of C. Maybe we've been together too long. I started talking to the dog. He doesn't answer back. He doesn't even bark. I think he knows what I'm saying. I started talking to the dog. You're looking at your phone, binge watching your new show. You got your earbuds on. You multitask, I know. I'm not your task at hand. I started talking to the dog. He's got a sympathetic ear, and he appreciates my affection. I can scratch his neck and pat his rear. He turns a thankful eye in my direction. I started talking to the dog. I tell him about my day. I open one more beer. He doesn't run away. He likes my brand new song. I started talking to the dog. He's got a sympathetic ear, and he appreciates my affection. I can scratch his neck and pat his rear. He turns a thankful eye in my direction. I started talking to the dog. I tell him about my day. I open one more beer. He doesn't run away. He likes my brand new song. I started talking to the dog. I started talking to the dog. I started talking to the dog.
that song has a lot of truth in it.
Doesn't it, though?
How many of us out there, one time or another, haven't talked to our dog about it? You know, like I wish he wouldn't say that. I wish he wouldn't do this. You know, you're talking to a dog.
Apparently the dog is the only one that'd be listening.
Well, and he will listen, you know, and they pick up on your mood too. They know if you're feeling good or bad or happy or sad or whatever, and they know how to kind of comfort you. You know, the dog's a great animal. I've had many of them in my lifetime.
Yes, you have.
I want to do this. Oh, shit, I got this. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. Ask me if I'll miss my baby. I guess I will someday. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss her kisses. I guess I will every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll find another. I don't know, I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. All right, Paula. Go again, baby. Ask me if I'll find another. I don't know, I can't say. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss her kisses. You know I will every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Johnny Cash, 1957, Town Hall Party. Look it up. It's in black and white on YouTube. Just go to Johnny Cash, Town Hall Party. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. It's a great video. Now, this amp sounds like crap. Pardon my French. I'm going to check mine too. Sorry, folks, we're checking our tuning. No, that's fine. Paul, what do we got?
The end is not in sight.
Oh, I know what we wanted to mention. Last week's show, we did kind of a little acoustic thing.
Yes,
Paul
we
and I pull out the acoustic guitars. And Paul, tell them what happened. We were sitting in chairs.
Dan was there too.
Dan played bass, and
Yeah.
Paul and I were on with acoustic guitars, sitting in chairs. It was
Yeah.
very laid back and cool. And then what happened?
We were sitting right back there.
Back
You
there
could
against the
see the whole
backdrop.
thing, and you see the backdrop and everything. Well, Hank Williams fell on my head. He just
And so
jumped,
did
he
Merle.
jumped off the wall, and Merle too, and they fell right on my head. And I'll I'll tell you, I watched that. I called.
So we had a discussion after the show. We watched the rerun, and I said, we got to watch this when all this stuff fell on top of Paul, mostly. But anyway, and our first, the way it hit us at first was when we saw it, we just cracked up laughing. I mean, it looked hilarious. I said, we're leaving it. We're not going to cut it out. So if you want to see a funny thing happen, watch last week's show. Greg Leon, a great rock and roll, come on up here, buddy. A great rock and roll guitar player, used to be with Quiet Riot and many other bands. And come on up, say hello. You know I love you. And he's done our show several times with his beautiful wife.
She said to say hi.
Well, she should have come down and said it herself, but it's okay.
We're working today, so
Yeah?
that's why we look like hell.
Okay. Anyway, he give me that unit that you just fixed for me. This is a little point of interest. This thing is called the Fuzz Tone.
I had one of those in 1967.
Well, I got them when they first come out. Barney Kessel brought one home to Mickey and I and said, look what Gibson's coming out with. And this is the unit, and it says Fuzz Tone, and it's got a couple little knobs in front.
It took the nickname the Satisfaction Fuzz.
Yeah, they call it the Satisfaction Fuzz because it was the only one available in those days, I think. It was like one of the very first pedals that guitar players had the option to buy. And so I guess they used it on Satisfaction by the Stones. And this is one of the original ones that I bought back in the 60s. And,
Very rare.
and then
Kessel had that?
Barney Kessel showed me the prototype before it came out.
He played on Teen Beat.
I don't know where you used it, but everybody used them. Yeah, it was one of the first pedal effects. Huh?
That was all there was.
Yeah,
They
this.
sound better than Fuzzface myself.
Well, they sound old.
Yeah, they're smooth though. They're very smooth.
Yep. Anyway, he also does repair work. He fixes all my amps and instruments, and then he does the show with us every once in a while. Greg, thank you. I'll talk to you next week.
All right.
Okay, brother.
Great day.
Thank you. So anyway, the Fuzz Tone.
Yeah, first distortion pedal.
Yeah, I used it. I used to use it in the Mickey Rooney Jr. And we did things like Revolution, and all that distortion by the Beatles. You know. Okay, what do you got?
The End Is Not in Sight,
I love that song.
in E, coming in on the 4. And you can play the first thing going around.
What did I do? My amp's not working. That's what happens when you change amps. I'm used to my Quilter now. I'm always going for the left-hand hole. There it is. Okay, what are we doing?
The End Is Not in Sight, coming in on the 4.
E, E, E.
2, 3, 4, 1.
Guess I knew it all along. I have to come back home. 'Cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Like sweet magnolia wine, honey dripping from her mouth, and that sweet little gal of mine, she's the finest in the South. Now the days are getting longer, the nights are getting colder. I wanna go back home, lay my head up on her shoulder. Guess I knew it all along. I'd have to come back home. 'Cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night, my soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Yeah, my soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Yeah, my soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight.
Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. There's bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Old dog will bite and people that treat you fine. That old dog will bite, people there will treat you fine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. All right, Paul, satisfy my mind. And I'm going back to Houston, gotta go back to where I came. Going back to Houston, going back to where I came. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my brain. There's bad news from Houston. Half my friends have died. There's bad news from Houston. Half my friends have died. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. And so on. We're here at Carmine's Country Corner, February 19th. We're doing a gig at the Gene Autry Museum. That's a Thursday night, and about 6:30, I think. And we're having Paul Wilson, kind of a guest artist. He really kind of got us the gig, so we're all kind of circling around him. But we're gonna have a good time that night. You're doing it, right, John? You're available that night. So far, so good, right? Okay. So we're doing it, and it'll be Dan and Paul, and you can't do it the 19th? Yeah, I'm asking you now. So there.
No, I can't do it.
Yeah. Thank you very much for the gig, but I'm not doing it. Okay. So, Paul.
Yes, sir.
One more. How much time we got, Kim?
We got all kinds of time.
Still 30 minutes? Oh, perfect. Okay.
In the twilight glow, I see her. Blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember. Only memories remain. Through the ages I'll remember. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Now my hair has turned to silver. All my life I've loved in vain. I can see her star in heaven. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Someday when we meet up yonder, in the land that knows no parting. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Her blue eyes crying in the rain.
Let it ring, boys. I always tell the guys, not that they don't know this, but I always love it when you just let it ring at the end. There it is. Let it go as long as it'll go. If it goes too long, then, we have to stop it. But, That's what I do when you call me. If the I got to give you a mic. Dan's very funny, but we got to get you a mic and just blurt this stuff out because it's good. And Palmer never says anything hardly. Well, you told us a funny story about how you went to the school and your girlfriend said, the lady you would say, "Hey kids, how would you like to hear John play harmonica?" She's trying to pump these little kids up. And one kid way in the back said, "I'm good."
Funny, man, I was choked.
Yeah, gee, thanks a lot, I'm going to tune up again. Paul, say something. I'll start a song. I'll catch up.
What's that? Oh,
We
yeah.
can start a song.
Sure will.
I'll catch up.
The key of
This
E.
tuning's killing me.
Mind your own business. 1 and 2. A vamp on the E and Well, if my wife and I are fussing, buddy, that's alright. Me and my woman got a license to fight. Why don't you mind your own business? Why don't you mind your own business? If you'd be minding your business, you wouldn't be minding mine. Well, the woman on the party line's a nosy old thing. Picks up her receiver when she knows it's my ring. Why don't she mind her own business? Why don't she mind her own business? If she'd be minding her business, she wouldn't be minding mine. You in tune now, Carmen? Come on.
I think so.
Well, I got a little girl, she wears her hair up high. All the boys will whistle when she walks by. Why don't they mind their own business? Mind their own business. If they'd be minding their business, they wouldn't be minding mine. Now minding other people's business seems to be high-toned. I got all that I can do to mind my own. Why don't you mind your own business? Mind your own business. If you'd be minding your business, you wouldn't be minding mine. No. honky-tonk until 2:45. That's my headache, don't you worry about me. Just mind your own business. Mind your own damn business. If you'd be minding your business, you wouldn't be minding mine. Well, if my wife and I be fussing, buddy, that's all right. Me and my old lady got a license to fight. Why don't you mind your own business? Just mind your own business. If you'd be minding your business, you wouldn't be minding mine. If you'd be minding your business, you'd be busy all the time.
This old smoke-filled bar is something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Come by, see me anytime you want to. You'll always find me here till closing time. I've got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you'll always find me here till closing time. I've got everything I'll need to drive me crazy. I've got everything I'll need to lose my mind. And the atmosphere in here's just right for a heartache. And thanks to you, I'm always here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. You come by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you'll always find me here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. And you'll always find me here till closing time. End of story.
Yeah.
Dan, you don't have a mic. No, I have kind of a cold. You have kind of a cold? Yeah.
Kind of a cold.
So, okay, well, I have kind of a cold.
I kind of have a
You
cold.
have a little cold too. What about you, Paul?
I have no cold.
You don't have a cold?
No,
You will soon.
no.
You will now.
I'm completely resistant to it.
Okay, Paul, hit us again. We're just going to keep doing music till we're out of time, and then I'm going to get down to Knott's Farm and play another 2 hours down there. And we're going to wish Gary Swan luck tonight at the Coach House. If anybody's running around tonight, you got nothing to do, go down to the Coach House and see Gary Swan with the association. They had a lot of great hits, but that was a big band back in the 60s and 70s. And he's playing with them, and we're proud of that for him. We love him.
Cuba, I'm blue, I'm lonesome.
I like it.
I'm
I see a lot of that down at Knott's.
doing this.
I want you to.
Just vamp on the G. I mean on the A. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and cries. These love-sick blues I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my trunk and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. Lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too.
That doesn't sound too bad. How much time we got, Kim? I didn't get the clock out, so I don't know where we are.
About 10 minutes.
Okay, hey, everybody push like, share and like if you're watching us on Facebook. We upload this to YouTube right after the show. It goes on about, what happened?
Not today, it'll be later.
Oh, not today, okay.
Okay, Kelly?
So,
Hey, yo!
is she okay? I think Dr. Kathy just slipped off her chair.
Get out.
Okay, Susie's here. Kim, is she okay, honey? She's okay? She's just, gee, that's too bad. So anyway, we're here at Carmine's Country Corner. Kathy's fine. Nothing serious. How about a hand for Kathy? She's tough as nails. Are you okay, honey? Yes. Okay, she said yes. Baby, I'm sorry that happened. She slipped off the chair and hit the floor a little bit there. Okay, well, should we continue on? Is everything okay out there, Johnny? Yeah, I think she's okay. I hope nothing bad happened. You might be a little sore in the morning, honey. All right, so what do we got? I'll do one.
Yeah, we got one or two more songs.
I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. They said for the last 2 weeks, suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. Said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. Thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it. I went up in the woods and I cried. Now I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. Could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. Now my daddy said he drank a lot and I could never understand. And I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. And when to sing that line, I'm not gonna sing it again. Now I guess if I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned, picking out the lovesick blues. We love you, Kathy. Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. And I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it. I went up in the woods and I cried. Now I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. But it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Thank you. Kathy, you okay? Little bump there, huh? I know that. I know that. You just don't do it twice in the same day. Dr. Kathy, thank you. Boy, Dr. Kathy, when she saw Dr. Teresa, when she saw Dr. Kathy fall, boy, she jumped right up. That's like her best buddy. Those two are connected at the hip. Love you. Yeah. Don't say really, Kathy. Go with it. It's a show.
I hope they weren't, because they would have both have fallen down.
They both would have fallen if they were connected at the hip. Okay, Paul, let's close the show. Hey, we're going to do one more, and then I've got to get down the road. Paul, thank you. Palmer, thank you. Dan, thank you guys for showing up. We miss you, Gary. Come back soon, and we'll do this again next week. What do you got?
Let's do Working Man's Blues. About there. Well, it's a big job just getting by with 3 kids and a wife. But I've been a working man dang near all my life, and I keep on working. Long as these 2 hands are fit to use. Well, I'll drink my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Yeah, I keep my nose to the grindstone. I work hard every day. Might get a little tight on the weekend after I draw my pay, but I go back to working. Come a Monday morning, I'm right back with the crew. Yeah, I'll drink a little beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Well, sometimes I think about leaving and maybe do a little bumming around. Throw my bills out the window, take a train to another town, but I go back to working. I gotta buy my kids a brand new pair of shoes. Yeah, I'll drink a little beer in the evening, cry a little bit of these working man blues. I said, hey, hey, working man like me, ain't never been on welfare. One place I won't be, 'cause I'll go back to working. Just as long as these 2 hands are fit to pick. Yeah, I'll drink my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. I'm gonna drink my beer in the tavern, cry a little bit of these words.
right, folks, we'll see you next week. And had a great show, had fun. Susie showed up. Thank you, baby. Paul, guys, see you next week. Love you. Love you guys out there.